which
ये
is
प्रैक्टिस
filed for
हाई कोर्ट में
vacatum of
इसीलिए
stay.
हम बुरे बनते हैं। इस हाई कोर्ट में सबसे बड़ी दुविधा यही है कि वकील लोग तैयारी करके नहीं आते हैं।
Today it is listed
Sorry.
for the application.
सॉरी,
सर मैं बताना चाहूंगा Annexure P1.
326 आप इतना सा तो छोटा सा तो बात है,
सर
बता दीजिए कि आपने ऑफिशियल ड्यूटी के दौरान 326 का मुकदमा दर्ज हो गया।
सर वो criminal case because criminal trial is still the trial is pending. my lord.
How you will get the TADA? You unless
Even the my lord the
what are the rules, Mr. Bak?
sub inspector he is
He
the,
may be the Director General of the police. That is not the relevant thing. Issue is that whether he has to attend court in regard to some official work in his official capacity, or he has to attend the court in his personal capacity where he has been made an accused. This
My
is
lord.
the simple.
for this particular point, my lord, my only submission is, my lord, that I was on duty, whereas that the another culprit, my lord, one the
326 क्या होता है?
so 326 because ये जो धाराएं लगाई गई हैं, my lord, ये because he is working on the post of sub inspector, that's why उनके impression में आकर के वो सारी धाराएं लगाई गई हैं हमारे ऊपर, and I am working on the post of constable, my lord.
तो जाइए
हमारे और जो काउंटर केस में लॉर्ड बना हुआ है उस काउंटर केस में भी 354 का
आप तो सिर्फ कानून बता दीजिए कि निजी केस में आपको TADA की पात्रता, इतना सा कानून बताइए। आप स्टे लेके बैठे हुए हैं इतने सालों से,
मैं
थोड़ा
आपको
सा हम समझें तो
annexure
उसको।
annexure P1 में भी seen, my lord, I was on duty whereas the another person Mr. Datta he was not on duty
We
and
are not we are not concerned with it. The whole problem is that
he threatened, my lord, us and he in fact, my lord, he provoked us, my lord. He was not on duty, my lord. I was on duty in the morning hours at around 5:30.
तो पर्सनल लेवल का झगड़ा ना,
पर्सनल लेवल पे
फोर्स के
जी
कतिपय कर्मचारी अधिकारियों के मध्य में निजी तौर पे झगड़ा हो गया। कल को अगर आप दो वकील कोर्ट में यहाँ झगड़ पड़े और आपको पेशी करनी पड़े तो क्या कोर्ट TADA देगा क्योंकि आपने कोर्ट में झगड़ा किया है? और कल को गोपी चौरसिया बोलने लगे क्योंकि साहब झगड़े में हमने चाकू मार दिया था गर्ग
सर,
साहब को, लेकिन हम भारत सरकार के वकील के रूप में हमने चाकू मारा था इसलिए हमें TADA मिलना चाहिए।
मेरा सर इसमें इतना
ऐसा है क्या?
मेरा इतना सा पॉइंट है सर इसमें।
आपका स्टे ही गलत है। फॉर 6 years you have been illegally enjoying a stay.
No, I am enjoying stay. That is correct,
That-
but they are not giving me the movement order. In spite of this,
they are not required to give you movement order. They are only required. You have to apply for leave. Will say that they will grant you leave and as per your eligibility, and then you go and attend court. लिखिएगा. This petition.
All the amount which he has received by virtue of interim order, we may
you will be at liberty to recover it.
Mal.
Yes. लिखिएगा. This petition is filed by 2 of the constables of the Central Industrial Security Force who are now posted at NCL Amlori District Singrauli, being aggrieved of the orders dated 4/4/2018 and 27/3/2018 Annexure P8, whereby petitioners were seeking movement order and TADA to attend a criminal case registered against them at Kamrup, Assam, Kamrup district, Guwahati, Assam, on account of registration of a criminal case. कहाँ है उसकी FIR?
Lord, FIR is not on.
so there are 2 cases registered, my lord.
हाँ, तूने 4 करी है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
One by me and another by Mr. Datta.
हाँ ठीक,
Counter case was.
हाँ ठीक है। It is Shri Gopi Chaurasia submits that one Shri M. Datta had lodged, who was working as SI, had lodged a FIR under section 326 IPC against the present petitioners. Full stop. There is a counter case also lodged by the petitioners against Shri Datta, but copies of none of the FIRs have been brought on record. Next paragraph. Shri Gopi Chaurasia submits that that criminal case being in the domain of a personal dispute arising between the 3 functionaries of the CISF, none of them is entitled to either the movement order or to claim TADA in as much as if they are required to appear in the said criminal case at Kamrup, then they are required to apply for leave and bear their own expenses, as said case has nothing to do with the discharge of official function by the petitioners, or has no connotation in the form of work of the CISF. Next para. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and going through the record, it is evident that order dated 14/12/2018 has failed to take into consideration that the matter pending in the court of JMFC Kamrup has nothing to do with the office of CISF, full stop. If three personnels of CISF enters into a quarrel and that quarrel takes an ugly form, resulting in lodging of FIR and counter case, then that being in the private domain, petitioners cannot claim movement orders, which is an official document permitting an official to move from place A to place B with facility of TADA, full stop. In view of such facts, when Shri Garg is not in a position to bring on record any material to show that the matter being tried at Kamrup is not in the nature of private dispute, but has anything to do with official duties of as a CISF personnel, interim order is hereby vacated, full stop. There is no illegality in the impugned order annexure P8, and therefore petition deserves to fail and is dismissed. Next para. At this stage, Shri Garg submits that respondents be directed to permit the petitioner to appear in the case and give their evidence or pursue their case, full stop. Shri Gopi Chaurasia undertakes that as and when they apply for leave, as per the leave rules, they will be granted leave to appear in the court of law and prosecute their case or defend their case as the case may be, full stop. It is also directed that any amount which has been paid to the petitioners on CC as per rules.
My lord, I will make a submission.
Oh.
Yeah.